Good morning. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
all.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. Okay. Okay, children. So we are discussing properties of circles, isn't it? Hmm? Did you study those theorems, proofs, theorem and proof? What was the last theorem, Nandana? Read. Last theorem.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
chord
Hmm.
equidistant from the center of the circle are equal in length.
Yes, chords equidistant from the center are equal, or equal converse is equal chords are equidistant from the center, and we did some questions also, isn't it? And I asked you to do the fourth one. Did you try? It's a simple question. Okay. Okay. Now we are moving to the next topic, angle subtended by an arc. Okay, very important topic. So next heading is
Ma'am,
yes.
one question we didn't do right. If a line in the
Fourth one. I asked you to complete. You didn't get? It's a simple question. Did you try?
Yes, ma'am.
And you didn't get?
Yes, I get.
You did.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, good. It's a simple question, isn't it? Next topic is angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Angle subtended by an arc of a circle. Okay, see, here you can see a circle. And here, let O be the center of the circle. O be the center of the circle. And DC is an arc, isn't it? DC is an arc. The angle subtended by the arc DC is at the center. Angle subtended by the arc DC at the center is angle DOC. Angle DOC is the angle subtended by the arc DC at the center. Similarly, at O, this is O, angle AOB. Angle AOB is the angle subtended by arc AB at the center. Okay, this arc AB can also subtend angle not only in the center, it can also subtend angle at any other point of the circle. See, we can show infinitely many angles subtended by arc AB. AB can subtend angle at the center and also at any point of the circle. Okay, now we are going to study about the properties of angle subtended by an arc at the center, also at any point of the circle. Okay, we are going to study about the properties of angle subtended by an arc at the center, also at any point of the circle. And also we have some relation connecting these two, angle subtended by an arc at the center and at any other point. Okay, that yes.
Ma'am, so this angle subtended by arc and angle subtended by chord at the center is different or same?
Angle subtended by the
Ma'am, in this chord,
arc.
by arc DC or arc AB, one angle is being subtended, right?
By the chord also the same angle.
Same angle, right?
Same angle. Okay, you can write this sentence. Write this sentence. If if two chords of a circle are equal, then their corresponding arcs are congruent. Chords are equal, arcs are congruent. Conversely, if two arcs are congruent, corresponding chords are equal. That we can understand. If AB and DC are equal, then arc AB and arc DC are congruent. And if arc DC and arc AB are congruent, then the chords, corresponding chords AB and DC are equal.
Ma'am,
Mm.
ma'am, you should do the figure
No,
10.2.
no, no, no. The figure is coming, so no need to draw this one. Over the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is congruent arcs, that is equal arcs. Equal arcs of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Equal arcs subtend equal angles.
Can you zoom? Ma'am,
Hmm?
can you zoom?
Hmm, hmm. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
After that, read the sentence. Then read it. If you want, you can write, or otherwise just understand. Isha, read that sentence. That is your doubt. You just ask no.
When should we write it?
If you want, otherwise, if you want, you can write.
Ma'am, should we write that sentence?
If you want, you can write. If arcs, the angles subtended by the arc and the chords, corresponding chord are same, equal. After that, write theorem 10.8, very, very important theorem. Over. Can I start proof?
1 minute. 1 minute. Finish.
Okay. 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 Now, all of you listen. What theorem says? See, we have a circle. Arc AB and center O. Angle subtended by arc AB at O and the angle subtended by the same arc AB at a point P. At a point P. The theorem says the relationship between these two angles. Angle subtended by an arc AB at the center O and the angle subtended by the same arc AB at any point P on the circle, on the major arc. P is a point on major arc. Angle subtended by minor arc AB at a point on the major arc P. Okay. Then by the theorem, what is the relation? The angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any other point in the remaining part of the circle. So if angle APB is X, then what is angle AOB? If angle APB equal to X, then angle AOB will be twice 2X. Angle subtended by the arc, AB at a point P will be equal to half of angle subtended by the arc at the center, or the central angle will be double the angle subtended by the same arc at any point. So we can, what about this angle? Will be
45 degree.
45 degree. Central angle will be more. It will be double the angle subtended by the same arc at any other part of the circle. All of you understood the theorem? Can I start the proof? It is very important. Proof is very important. You have to study. Can I start the proof? Understood what the theorem says?
And should we draw the circle?
Yeah, wait. That I will explain. This relation understood? Meaning of theorem? Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you start proof. Write
And should
proof.
we draw the circle?
Wait. I will tell. Write proof. Under that, first of all, we will write given. Given an arc PQ, right? Given an arc PQ, given an arc PQ, an arc PQ of a circle subtending angles PQ of a circle, subtending angles POQ at the center, POQ at the center, and PAQ at a point A on the at a point A, at a point A on the remaining part of the circle. Remaining part of the circle. Now, to prove is what we need to prove? To prove is angle POQ equal to twice angle PAQ. That we need to prove. Angle POQ equal to POQ. Angle subtended by an arc at the center, we have three cases. These are the three cases. Angle subtended by the arc. First case is, listen, all of you look at the figure. First is, see, PQ. PQ subtending an angle POQ at the center and PAQ at any other point. Okay, this is first case. Second case, PQ is, in the second case, PQ is a
Diameter.
diameter. PQ is a diameter or arc P. This is semicircle. Arc PQ is semicircle. So angle subtended by the semicircle at O is O, POQ. Angle POQ is a straight angle. Clear? Here angle POQ is this. But in the case of semicircle, or if the chord PQ is a diameter, then POQ will be straight angle. Then angle subtended by PQ, arc PQ at any other point A is this angle PAQ. Okay? Or this PQ is a major arc. Third case, PQ can be major arc. PQ can be major arc. Then angle subtended by PQ at the center is the reflex POQ. Reflex POQ will be, this angle will be the angle subtended by major arc PQ at the center. Understood that third figure? The reflex angle POQ is the angle subtended by the major arc PQ at the center, and PAQ is the angle subtended by the major arc PQ at a point A. Okay, we need to consider these three cases. We need to consider. Okay, so after writing what we have wrote, to prove.
And we should draw that.
Wait. So to prove is angle POQ equal to 2 angle PAQ. After that, right, there are three cases. There are three cases. First one, if arc PQ is minor. Case 1, arc PQ is minor. Arc PQ is minor. Case 2, arc PQ is a semicircle. The semicircle. Case 3, arc PQ is major. Say major arc is major. Arc PQ is major. Three cases. Arc PQ is minor, arc PQ is semicircle, arc PQ is major. Okay. Now you can draw the figure. Draw these three figures.
Ma'am, should we draw all three?
Both all three figure you have to draw. You have three cases, case 1, case 2, case 3.
Ma'am, can you show the other side again?
Which one?
On the other side.
This. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Draw these three. Have you drawn? Can I start?
No, ma'am. One.
Ma'am.
Over. Okay, children, we will discuss problems based on this. So, angle subtended by any arc at the center is twice the angle subtended by any other point of the circle. Clearly, Net? Adhikesh, Sridev, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
bye. Thank you. Thank you all.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.